attraction?
What attracted me, I think, of course, the voice. Oh my God.
Okay, so Uche, our mutual friend, sent me a message that she had this guy that she wanted to give her number, and at that point I'm like, no, I don't think I want it. But she was like, no, keep an open mind. I feel you guys will click, it will work. So she didn't even let me say if it's okay or not at the end. So she went ahead and gave the number, and he messaged her like, hi, hello, this is Rob on WhatsApp, and that was it. Attraction.
Yeah, the voice, babe. The voice called on a Sunday evening. I think after we've been talking for like 2 weeks or so. Yeah. So I said, let me give her a call and see. We've been chatting for 2 weeks actually. Exactly. So I decided to give her a call to see, to hear or to get to know her better. And as soon as I called her, the voice, hello, good evening, how are you? That voice got me. And then after that, the conversation was effortless. It was smooth. You know, we just we connected on a different level, and that was really good for the first day of our conversation. So
yeah, that was it for me too. I was the first day talking to him was like spoke for about over 35 to 40 minutes,
yeah,
and
it
was smooth. Like I felt so peaceful in myself. So that was the first minimal attraction. So eventually you get to see every other part of me that was really attractive.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. For me, I was on the streets. I was single. I wasn't in any relationship, babe.
Yes, I was. Yeah. Then somebody stole me away. Yeah. So that's it.
I don't think you guys are in a relationship. I think you were friends. You know, when someone knows what they want, they go for it. You know, you can't be in a relationship with someone like this. You know, you can't waste time, babe. You know?
Oh, don't make me cry. Right, so maybe I was playing, then the real man came, right?
Yeah, of course. Babe. That's why we're here doing an interview.
Exactly. So, yeah.
We started talking in July.
Yeah.
We started dating September.
Yes, September 11th.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And then 5 months later, yeah, 3 months later,
marriage. It's even up to 3 months.
I can't remember. I think we planned everything in like 2 months or a month.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So
that was quick though.
Summary.
To be honest, I feel I've always said I wanted to be with someone I would date for like a year, 2, 3, you know, get to know someone better. But to be honest, I think over time you get to understand that people connect on different levels. You meet some people. I've been in a relationship before, 8 months, 9 months. I didn't know what we're doing, but in this one it was totally different. You know, 5 months in, if let's call it 5 months, because that's when we tagged it. So 5 months in, I was like, nah, this is who I want to be with for the rest of my life. So yeah.
For me, I think the moment I couldn't just stop thinking about him and praying, I saw myself asking God, is this the person? Because my heart was feeling it, but I just needed that confirmation from God, if this is it. So at that point, I already knew that for me to get to that level of having this conversation with my father, then this is really serious.
Yes, I mean the prayers, yeah. But for me, I think we already had too many serious conversations. We had too many heated conversations for people who were just starting. You know, I wanted this, she wanted this. You know, when you like someone, everybody wants their opinion to be heard,
yeah.
And then we all want to go in the same direction because you're like, I like this, you don't like this. So I think at that point, all the heated conversations, that made me realize that this is where I really want to be. Because if you don't like someone, you don't get into arguments with them, and so yeah. Maybe I think you should go first with this one.
It's not that serious. Nothing is really that serious. If the both of you respect each other's opinion and people are really chilled. For us, things that usually people fight about is what we have like a conversation about it. So we just talk it over, and our individual personalities just get in between, which is he's a joker.
Yeah, I joke a lot, to be honest.
He jokes about everything. So in the middle of it, he can just say something that I'll start laughing. So I think just level of maturity, I think, and understanding.
Yeah, she speaks too much English, you know. Sometimes you get into an argument, she's speaking too much grammar. This. Oh my God! So I can't even handle it. I just have to. We just have to end it. So I think that works for us every single time. And to be honest, I think it's understanding. You know, getting to understand. I think for us so far, we've been able to handle a lot of fights and misunderstanding because we understand each other. So we try to understand, why did you do what you did? Then from there we take it. So I feel for us, it has to do a lot with understanding, not because of we know it all or we can get it or not. It's just understanding, to be honest. And not too much grammar that just gets me. Each other's role. She doesn't have any role. She's just a baby girl who wants to relax and take each other off. Nah, I'm just joking though.
You don't take me seriously. Oh God, I'm a joke to you.
No, baby. To be honest, I think she's a very mature woman, to be honest. I think that's the word. I've always said I wanted someone very mature to handle a lot of things, because me, there's a whole lot going on in my life all the time, so I need like a proper mature woman. She's always there to talk me out of a lot of things. I think at the beginning, she always gives me, whenever I say, babe, what do you think about this? She tells me, this is what I think about this. Sometimes I'm stubborn. I go ahead and do something else, but at the end of the day, I come back to the same thing she said. So these days, I don't even bother anymore. I just ask her, you think this is it? She says yes. I just go about and do it. So she has a key role in my life, actually. So
you can call me the balancer.
Or the manager, actually. Yeah, the manager is good. Yeah, she manages well.
Yeah, and for him, his role here is he balances me too, right? Because I'm somebody that really is not very good with boundary. So he always keeps it in check, like always telling me the right things to do, how to do and not overdo it, and somebody that takes care of things. So I really can, as I said, baby girl life, like literally, I'm a baby girl when I'm with him.
Of course, baby.
Yes, I'm baby. So yeah, that's the role, yeah. Expose yourself.
For fun, to be honest, I think I drag her into doing things that I don't think she likes, to be honest. I think I love watching my home movies, where I call it Nigerian home movies, you know. I think I enjoy myself when I do it, and she just sits there and
sleep.
And then what else? We like to go see movies.
Yes, we do, and we talk a lot.
Yeah, we talk a lot.
Like we talk a lot. We
always have proper conversations.
Yes,
spend our time gisting.
So that's one of the most important things about our relationship.
Fantastic, that's good. I think the favorite one is the first time we met. I was shaking, you know, before she came, before I met her, and immediately I saw her. There was this piece. I think that's it. She was smiling. I could remember she was wearing this red shirt dress.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was an amazing weekend, actually. Day one, you know, it was just a casual thing. Then the second day we had like a proper date. It was fantastic, to be honest. I think that weekend was it. You know, at that point I knew I wanted to take this to the next level, but then she didn't know though. She was still, you know.
The same thing for me. The first weekend, the first time I saw him, favorite day in our entire dating short time life.
Exactly.
Because there's so many memories ahead, but you see, I was nervous and excited at the same time. But the moment he opened the door and I saw him, I couldn't stop smiling.
That was incredible.
And from there, we went out, had a good time, came back, I went back home. You know, everything about the whole weekend was amazing, but off the camera, still the most favorite weekend so far.
Favorite thing? Isn't that the same question with the other one? No, favorite thing with the one we said, oh, Rose.
Yeah. Okay, so my favorite thing about you, I hate when they tell me to say a thing when there are a bunch of things to say. So I'm going to rephrase the question. My favorite things about you. Let me start with, he's very focused. Like, I like the fact that he sets his mind to do things and gets it done. He doesn't give excuses. So yeah, I could call him a perfectionist. I like the fact that he's devoted to everything he does. So he has a lot of rules in church, at work, at home, and he gives his all to everything. Like, no, I don't know how to put it, but this man here, his heart is for every duty, and he does it so well. And of course, the way he takes care of my heart is also my favorite thing about him. And the fact that we always get to do a lot of things together, we pray together, talk together, do everything literally. Do
laundry together, iron together.
Yeah. So
no, for me, I think she's a fantastic manager. Like I always say, that's one of the most favorite, because to be honest, I'm a difficult person, but she knows how to keep me in check. You know, maybe I'm screaming at someone, you know, at work or something. She knows how to say, "Calm down, babe." You know, she never says anything. I think she just lets me be. Then after like 10 minutes, she holds my hand. That's what she does all the time. And I think, you know, she's a fantastic manager. Does it? She manages me properly, which, to be honest, I don't think there's anything more than that. If you can manage me, then you have me. So she has me already. So
I have you. Raise them.
Yeah, the kids. Raise the kids to be better than us. Yeah. Expand the empire and create more. Because we have
some things coming out.
Yeah, we have
together.
some things. Yeah, we have some things. We have a lot of plans coming, and everyone should just watch and see and
watch the pace.
Exactly. 3, right?
Yeah. So I mean, if you said no, okay. So
I said 2.
2 wishes to always be each other's favorite.
And yeah, to always enjoy the sugar. For those who know what I'm talking about.
Yes, forever.
Yeah, you know, sugar.
Yeah.
Because when the sugar is great, that means the bond is still strong.
Yes.
Everything is good. So yeah, everlasting sugar.
Yeah, so we should never forget that we're first friends.
Exactly.
And everything. Then yes, kids, raise amazing children that we'll be proud of.
Yeah.
God will be, family will be too. And yeah, to partner in a lot of things. Like, so we're not just husband, wife, or best friends or brother, sister. We're also building empires and
being partners too.
You know, making legacies. Yeah.
What I don't like is how she just wakes up in the morning, or maybe anytime we're about to go out, she just comes up with rumpled clothes. She wears it with her chest. How can you be confident wearing things that are rumpled? Like, I don't know how she does it, but she just wears it, puts it, okay, babe, you know, I'm ready to go where with this. So I think that's the problem. That's the problem, because me, like you said, me, I'm a perfectionist. Everything has to be, you know, straight. Everything has to look nice.
I like to iron.
So I think that's about fine. You know, I get to help out when I.
Yeah, he helps me iron also.
Well, yeah.
For me, what I don't like, it's a para.
Yeah, para too much, I know.
It's a para. But I don't know how I have the magic. I never see you get angry at me, like maybe because of my puppy face. I don't know if I would say that I don't like.
No, like I said, like I said, she manages me very well. To be honest, I feel most of the time I'm pissed, and I think the bad thing is when she's pissed, I'm extra pissed.
Oh,
that's a bad thing.
I think that's what I don't like. When I'm pissed, he can literally lit up the whole place at whoever or anything that is making me angry. So at that point, I'm like, Oga, I'm not that angry. Calm down, don't fight here. We are good, bro. So. No,
but yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, apart from that, we're good. You know, it's just the rumpled thing. How she does it. Is this one iron, babe?
Is iron? Oh God. Quite serious. Okay. Go ahead, my husband.
Views. For me, it's a partnership. A lot of respect. every single time we talk or when we pray, I always tell her that we have two different roles, which is the men love your wife and the wife, they have to submit. And there's a reason why they said love. Love is because if you love, there are a lot of things that a lot of things you can avoid, and a lot of things that you just overlook a lot of things. So for me, I feel it's a partnership where we are open, we play, we can be friends. Talk to me about everything we've done, all the bad things, all the good things, we all have a past, like we say. So everything, so that we're just friends, like you said, brother, sister, which I don't like actually. I think I prefer best friend. So that for me, I always wanted a sister because I'm the only child. So I always said whoever I'm going to get married to is going to be more of a sister, you know, a friend, not only just a wife. I think a wife makes it too serious. So just be together in everything, you know. I saw my mom and dad grow up being together, doing everything together, started the business together, been in the business the whole time. So I also wanted someone who I would do the same thing with, expand, grow the business better than we've ever done it. She has her own ideas, I have mine. So the main thing is for us to be better, you know, take it to the next level. So yeah, for me, that's my view about marriage, friendship and partnership. Yeah,
for me too, friendship is very important. Like, it's not really that serious. The whole husband-wife thing makes it too structured. Yeah. So my view about marriage is to have somebody or a home, build a home where everyone is normal, everybody is free, is filled with love, good times. Like, I feel we also have, as he said, different views about life and all, so we have to respect each other's view and find a way to have a middle ground. So it's not a matter of, oh, he's the man, he's only what he says stands. No. Why
are you laughing, babe? You don't like sugar?
Of course I do.
Yeah, I love sugar. I just say it as it is. You know, I think we've known each other the shortest, but I'm really excited about a lot of things. There's a lot we want to do together. We can't wait to release what we have in us. And it's like, I've waited and waited and waited, and she has, I've been waiting. She hasn't been waiting because she's just pushing everybody away, but you know. So I've waited. I think this is the perfect time, and she's perfect time, perfect person. So I think we have a lot, you know, the kids, the business, a lot of things we want to do together. Yeah. Try out new things, be ourselves, explore the world. I don't like to travel, but she likes to travel. So there are a lot of things, but you know, getting to know these different things, you know, play around, see. You know, so yeah, I think for me that is one of the things I'm looking forward to. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to waking up every day and having someone to say, oh, my husband eats this morning. What? You know, get to the kitchen, cook, then of course kids. I look forward to having a family, looking at my little ones. I look forward to knowing that every day of our lives, like there's so much. I look forward to flogging the kids too.
No, don't do that. Okay, yeah, he's going to be doing the flogging. I'll do the counseling. Yeah, exactly. But I'll do counseling first. If they don't understand.
No, for my baby girl, I'll do counseling. You do the flogging. For the boys, I'll flog the living down.
So yes, a lot of things we'll try out first. I used to say, whenever I get married, everything I haven't done or I didn't have the time to try, marriage would be the perfect day because I'm doing it with the most trustworthy person. Yeah. So there's a whole lot of adventure.
There's plenty things to do, to be honest. Like this now. Normally I'll never do this. Yeah. I'll never do this video.
I think he started taking a lot of pictures when I came into his life.
Yeah, I never used to take pictures.
So there's a lot of things there.
Yeah. These are hard things, but yeah.
Amazing. But you're not happy you're doing this. You're enjoying it. Yeah. Our kids will watch it.
Yeah, I was forced to do this too. Yeah, I was forced to do it.
So it's working. I am holding my hand, right? I'm enjoying. Your bond is a bonding time.
I don't have a choice, babe.
Thank God you know. So yeah, that's it. I love you.
I love you too, baby girl.